A car seat stroller combo, often called a travel system, is a game changer for parents who need both safety and convenience on the go. With one purchase, you get a reliable car seat that securely clicks into a stroller, making transitions from car rides to walks effortless. These combos save time, reduce hassle, and provide peace of mind with comfort and protection for your little one. In this video, we'll explore the best car seat stroller combos to simplify parenting. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Graco Verb Travel System. If you want a car seat and stroller combo that's lightweight, practical, and designed to keep outings stress-free, the Graco Verb Travel System is a strong contender. This set includes the Graco Snug Ride Light Infant Car Seat, suitable for infants weighing 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches tall, ensuring your little one rides safely from the start. With a simple one-step secure attachment, you can transition seamlessly between car and stroller without hassle. Built with maneuverability in mind, the stroller features a locking front swivel wheel and suspension system that provide a smooth ride on different surfaces. At under 20 pounds, the stroller itself is lightweight, making it easy for you to lift, carry, and navigate through daily routines. A one-hand, self-standing fold and carry strap means storage and transport are quick and convenient. For added convenience, the Graco Verb includes thoughtful features for both parent and child. A large storage basket gives you space for essentials like diaper bags, toys, or shopping items, while the parent's tray offers cup holders and storage for your keys or phone. Your child also gets their own tray with a cup holder that pivots, making it easy for them to hop in and out without fuss. With its balance of safety, portability, and smart design, the Graco Verb Travel System makes travel easier, whether you're running errands or enjoying family outings. At number 4, Evenflo Pivot Modular Travel System. If you're looking for a flexible and reliable car seat and stroller combo, the Evenflo Pivot Modular Travel System delivers outstanding versatility without adding extra bulk. This system includes the LightMax infant car seat, designed for babies weighing 3 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches tall, making it a safe and comfortable option from your baby's very first ride. What sets the system apart is its modular frame with 6 different modes. You can easily switch between parent-facing or forward-facing seating, convert the frame into a toddler stroller, or even transform it into a Pramette so your baby can stretch out and relax. The included stability base provides a wider surface area, ensuring your car seat installation is steady and secure every time. When it comes to everyday use, convenience is built right in. The Pivot Modular features an oversized storage basket for diaper bags, toys, and snacks, plus large cruiser tires with tread that make maneuvering smoother across different terrains. Parents will appreciate the cup holder with a locking tab, while little ones enjoy a snack tray of their own. Folding is quick and efficient thanks to a simple trigger fold mechanism. And the stroller even self-stands once collapsed, making it easy to store. With its adaptability, thoughtful design, and practical extras, the Evenflo Pivot Modular Travel System offers you a travel solution that keeps both comfort and convenience at the forefront. Number 3, we have the Safety First Smooth Ride Travel System. If you need a practical and reliable travel system that grows with your child, the Safety First Smooth Ride Travel System is built to deliver both comfort and convenience from day one. Designed to move smoothly through tight corners and busy spaces, this stroller meets Disney park size requirements, making it perfect for family outings and everyday use alike. The included onboard FLX infant car seat easily clicks onto the stroller, providing secure rear-facing seating for babies from 4 to 30 pounds. With head and body inserts and a 5-point harness that adjusts to 4 heights, you can ensure a snug, safe, and supportive fit as your little one grows. For protection against the elements, the stroller features an extra-large canopy with a flip-out visor to keep your baby shaded. A large peekaboo window not only improves airflow, but also lets you check in without disrupting their comfort. Parents will also appreciate the thoughtful details designed for convenience. The stroller includes ample storage, with an oversized basket for diapers, toys, or snacks, as well as parent and child trays for added accessibility. Built to hold children up to 50 pounds, This system transitions smoothly from infant to toddler years, giving you lasting value. With its reliable design, safety-focused features, and everyday practicality, the Safety First Smooth Ride Travel System offers peace of mind while making family adventures easier and more enjoyable. At number 2, Graco Mode's Pramette Travel System. If you're looking for a travel system that grows with your child, the Graco Mode's Pramette Travel System gives you versatility, comfort, and convenience all in one package. Designed to adapt as your little one grows, it transforms seamlessly from an infant car seat carrier to a Pramette, and eventually into a full toddler stroller. The reversible stroller seat allows your baby to face you for bonding moments or turn outward to explore the world. For newborns, the toddler seat easily converts into a Pramette, offering a cozy, flat surface for strolls. When it's time for car rides, the included Graco SnugRide 35 Lite DLX infant car seat provides rear-facing safety for infants from 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. Ease of use is a top priority here, with a one-hand fold mechanism that makes storing and transporting the stroller effortless. The thoughtful design includes a removable child's tray with cup holders, plus a parent tray with space for your phone and drink. The extra-large storage basket ensures you can carry everything you and your baby need, from diapers to snacks. Crafted from durable polyester and supported by a lightweight aluminum frame, the Mode's Pramette ensures both safety and long-lasting performance. Add in the multi-position reclining seat and full-size canopy with peekaboo window, and you have a system built to keep your child comfortable while simplifying your daily routine. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Chicco Bravo 3-in-1 Trio Travel System. If you want a car seat and stroller combo that makes life on the go easier, the Chicco Bravo 3-in-1 Trio Travel System delivers the convenience you need. Designed with parents in mind, it pairs the Chicco Bravo Quick Fold Stroller with the trusted Chicco Key Fit 30 infant car seat, giving you a complete travel solution from day one. The stroller's removable seat and canopy allow it to convert into a lightweight infant car seat carrier, so you can attach the Key Fit 30 with a simple, secure click. No adapters required. This seamless transition means less hassle when moving from the car to a stroll, keeping your baby safe and comfortable throughout. You'll appreciate the stroller's smart one-hand fold, which allows it to collapse compactly and stand on its own without the push handle touching the ground. Large treaded wheels and all-wheel suspension provide smooth rides across uneven terrain, making it easy to navigate city sidewalks or park trails. The Key Fit 30 infant car seat itself is designed for peace of mind, featuring premium latch connectors, a super cinch tightener for a secure fit, and expanded polystyrene energy-absorbing foam for added safety. It even includes removable head and body support, perfect for newborns. With its smart design, durable build, and parent-friendly features, the Chicco Bravo 3-in-1 Trio Travel System ensures every outing is smoother, safer, and more enjoyable for both you and your little one. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which car seat stroller combo you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.